Welcome to Nalanda University, one of the most historical seats of learning in the world. Now reborn with its eco-friendly net zero campus in Rajgir, Bihar. Come along as we explore its architecture, its tradition and facilities. Come on. Nalanda University, a remarkable place where the legacy of one of the world's greatest ancient learning center comes alive in a modern sustainable campus. Just a short distance from the historic ruins of ancient Nalanda, the legendary university that flourished nearly 1500 years ago and attracted scholars from across Asia. The new Nalanda University stands as a proud revival of that global speed of knowledge spread across vast green landscapes in Rajgir. The campus is designed with beautifully crafted eco-friendly architecture featuring wide open spaces, reflective water bodies, serene walkways, and buildings that blend naturally with surrounding hills. Environment here is peaceful yet full of life with students from different cultures studying, exploring and growing together. From quiet study corners and innovation classrooms to vibrant hostel life, evening gathering and close connection to nature. Nalanda offers a campus experience that is truly unique. This is a place where ancient wisdom meets modern design, creating an atmosphere that inspires learning, creativity and deep sense of belonging. Hostel life of Nalanda University, I'll give you a straightforward and honest look at what daily life here actually feels like. The hostel area is quiet and surrounded by open spaces, creating a calm environment for students to study and unwind. Rooms are simple, practical, and include the basic things you need for student life. There are common areas where students sit together, talk, or study. Most days are quiet. Students take walks, relax with friends, or use the calm surrounding to focus on their assignments. Welcome to the Central Dining Hall of Nalanda University. This is one of the main gathering spots on campus where students come together throughout the day. The hall is spacious, clean, and well organized, making it easy for everyone to find a comfortable place to sit and relax. The foods here is generally good. It's fresh, hygienic, and served on a proper schedule. But like any campus dining hall, there are days when you get bored of the foods because you won't get your mom's handmade taste here. Even so, the dining hall remains a central part of student life. It's where people eat, talk, share their day, and take a short break from their routine. Overall, it's a simple, welcoming place that keeps the campus running smoothly. Academic spine of Nalanda University, the main pathway that connect the core academic areas of the campus. This part of the campus links classroom, lecture hall, and study spaces in one continuous line, making it easy for students to move from one academic block to another. The environment here is calm and open, giving students a peaceful space to work, think, or discuss ideas with friends between classes. You will often see students heading to lecture, working on group project, or simply enjoying the quiet surrounding as they move through their day. The academic spine is more than just a pathway, it's a central route that keeps the academic life of Nalanda University organized and connected. Admin block of Nalanda University, the place where most official and administrative activities of the campus take place. The building is calm, organized, and designed to help students and staff get work done smoothly, whether it's documentation, academic queries, permission, or general guidance. The admin block is the main point where all these processes are handled. Students often come here for formal procedures, update, or to get support for different academic and administrative needs. Where the legacy of ancient Nalanda Mahabihara meets the vision of modern learning environment. The university is developing a new larger library building designed to become one of the key academic landmarks of the campus. Once completed, this new library will be able to hold up around 3 lakh books and accommodate nearly 3,000 users at a time, offering spacious reading areas, better facilities, and a stronger atmosphere for research and study. Yoga Center of Nalanda University, a peaceful space created to support students' mental and physical well-being. Yoga has been practiced in India for thousands of years, and its roots go back to ancient tradition that emphasizes balance, discipline, and harmony between the mind and body. At Nalanda University, a place deeply connected to historical knowledge and learning. The presence of a yoga center feels special, meaningful. It reflects Indians' culture and heritage, where yoga was first developed and later shared with the world.
Sports complex of Nalanda University, a modern and vibrant center that brings energy and balance to campus life. The outdoor zones include a dedicated football field and separate cricket ground, both spacious and perfect for practice sessions, friendly matches, and student tournaments that fill evening with excitement. The complex also features well-maintained athletic tracks. The sports complex offers a well-equipped gym along with courts for table tennis, badminton, and basketball, giving students plenty of options for fitness and recreation. These facilities create a lively environment where students can unwind, stay active, and bond with friends. Overall, the sports complex plays key role at Nalanda University, promoting health, teamwork, and a balanced lifestyle that supports both physical well-being and academic growth. At Nalanda University, Kamal Sagar is one of the most peaceful and naturally beautiful spaces on campus. This large water body not only adds calmness to the environment but also plays an important role in the university's sustainable water management system. The water collected here, mainly rainwater and campus runoff, treated in the university's purification plant before being used for daily needs across the campus. This helps Nalanda maintain its vision of becoming a net zero water campus. During the winter month, Kamal Sagar becomes even more special as migratory birds arrive, creating a sorting and scenic atmosphere. For many students, it's a perfect place for quiet walk, evening break, or simply enjoying the nature. Kamal Sagar truly reflects the peaceful, truthful, and eco-friendly character of Nalanda University. The amphitheatre at Nalanda University is a grand open-air venue built beside the Kamal Sagar water body, giving it a unique and attractive setting designed to blend natural beauty with modern architecture. It can accommodate around 2,000 people and host cultural programs, performance, convocations, and student gatherings. Its circular design, calm surrounding, and water body backdrop make it one of the most iconic spaces on campus. The amphitheater reflects the university's vision of combining ancient Nalanda's heritage with peaceful, sustainable modern environment. Nalanda University has four main auditoriums that supports its academic and cultural activities. The mini auditorium is used for small events, workshop, and student presentations. The Sushma Swaraj Auditorium hosts large lectures, official programs, and cultural functions. The Academic Spine Auditorium, centrally located and used for conferences and academic events. The university is also building a new 2,000-seater auditorium, which will become the main venue for convocations, international conferences, and major cultural festivals once completed. The campus in at Nalanda University offers a peaceful and comfortable stay for both guests and guardians. Visiting the campus with clean rooms, essential amenities, and calm, welcoming atmosphere surrounded by greenery. It ensures a good experience for all visitors. Conveniently located near academic buildings and key campus areas, the campus in makes it easy for guests and guardians to explore the university, meet students and faculty, and enjoy a smooth and comfortable visit of Nalanda University. The commercial center at Nalanda University is a convenient spot where students, guests, and guardians can access essential service in one place. Designed to support everyday needs, it includes small shop, basic supplies, and basic services, and spaces that make campus life easier, more organized, with clean layout and easy accessibility. As we finish this tour, it's amazing to see how Nalanda's long history continues even today. Many centuries ago, ancient Nalanda was a famous place of learning where students and teachers came from many countries. Now the new Nalanda University carries that same spirit forward in a modern way. With its peaceful campus, eco-friendly buildings, and diverse community, the university keeps the old tradition of knowledge alive while offering fresh and inspiring space for today's student. Here, the past and present come together, making Nalanda a special place where learning never stops.